application fee, but it gets refunded if you do not get a license in this round.
Micro marijuana business license enables one to cultivate up to 250 plants at a time, meaning you can have 3 to 4 harvests per year.
And applications for those licenses open Thursday.
The people who apply for these licenses need to meet one or more of approximately 6 criteria.
Dan Vietz is the state coordinator for the group NORML, which supports legal recreational marijuana use.
The criteria include being relatively poor. You don't have to be destitute, but you have to have had an income in at least 3 of the past 10 years, below 2.5 times the federal poverty level.
It's something local dispensaries say they're excited about.
We look at it as an exciting time for more cannabis culture people to be in the business. You know, I mean, we are basically a micro license as the way it sits now, because we're one of the very few dispensaries that has 1 license.
Alex Paulson, one of the owners of Easy Mountain Dispensary in Republic, says he thinks it will balance out product availability.
We're really excited to see more craft and boutique cannabis come on the market, which the micro licenses will have the huge advantage of being able to lean into craft and boutique style cannabis.
Shouts out to
The state
Missouri.
will be awarding micro business
Like I keep
licenses
telling you,
to
if you
48
don't like the
owners.
laws where you
Split up
live,
across Missouri's
you get a
8
consultation, right?
With 6 per district. 4 of those will be wholesale businesses that can both manufacture products and cultivate the plant.
We're a fan of the
You
plant.
don't
We're a
like
fan
where
of
you
the
stand,
culture,
have
so
you a
we see
conversation
this
with
as a win for
somebody,
everybody.
right? I tell you,
Now
it's
applications
green
close
grass over
Thursday,
here.
August 10th, and we have links to those applications at the bottom of this article on gateway3.com.
I just come across this envelope. It was a prize that I got in the mail from Echo. Living your best life. And I obviously had lost it because it was from a pretty long time ago. Her and the
Speaking
other
of our level 2 Buy Me a Coffee members, y'all need to go check out Melinda Elliott. She's a great supporter, and she's usually live every morning for her work drive. You know, go holler at her on her way to work.
apparently not.
Appreciate that, because I'll be in the chat.
Ed Roush. Let's see who else I got. Manny Minosa.
Your popcorn, when are you going to invest more into the business? You've been recording the laptop from your phone for 2 years. Hell, it'll be another 2 more years before I get worried about the other version. But y'all gotta go check out the studio quality over on Rumble. Shouts out to that Rumble link. It's somewhere. Find it.
Binder.
Hit that bottom button right
They slipped behind
for
something.
more information.
But I'm glad I found it.
Click some links.
Thank y'all. Bye.
Sure, we're here finding baseball cards. Might be
When you
worth
first start
something too.
blazing, getting some purple bud is pretty exciting, but then as you get older and you meet more people that smoke, you start meeting people that hate purple weed. A lot of people hate purple weed, but why? So there's 2 different ways that your bud can be purple. Number 1 is with the genetics, and that's why a lot of people get excited. A lot of the genetics back in the day that were really good also happened to have purple in them, so it was kind of an exciting feeling to finally see some of those purple nugs. But the other way that you can have purple bud is by a grower just making their grow cold at night. And it tends to be that if somebody is focusing on trying to make their nugs go purple by making their grow cold at night, they're probably not focusing on making the bud actually good. So then a lot of people hate purple bud because they assume it's going to be dead.
Oh, this is hilarious. I've seen part of this.
Down. Well, you're real trying to argue against my reality. My hammock right now? Hey, I see you looking at me. What's the nature of my own reality? If you're helping me, why can't I be in my own thoughts? Stop! Stop! Please help me, you people!
What's going on, guys? I hope you are well and warm. Kicking it flat today, baby. I bet you clicked on this video for the same reason that I watched it. Could this be why eggs are $8 a carton? Does this answer the question?
Motherfucking chickens is out here getting arrested, and now we gotta pay for their motherfucking lawyer fees.